guys and welcome back to my channel. One of the most messages I've gotten into my email was the monetization issue. A lot of people messaged me, emailed me and said, hey, I've done 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube. I have 1,000 subscribers, but YouTube is not monetizing my channel. Apparently this is a new issue and it's actually a big issue, and I will let you know all the reasons why YouTube isn't monetizing your channel. The biggest reason that YouTube isn't monetizing new channels is because it's saying you're using or you're reusing content that has been published before. And one of the most things I've noticed is that a lot of people have started to pick up niches like motivation videos, stoic videos, and stuff like that. And the thing is, they are using the same audio, the same clips, the same like video footage, let's say from websites like Pexels or like Canva, or even other websites that give you stock footage, and they are not giving enough editing in their editing process. The idea for that is you're just copying and pasting other videos. A lot of people, what they're doing this copy-paste tactic, which basically they get a video and they reuse it. Maybe like they change a small filter on the video, but that's it. They make the video darker. It is reused content. You're like stealing somebody else's content, and that's why YouTube doesn't monetize you. You're not giving enough value, or like you're not putting enough work in your videos. Everything you're doing is copy-paste. So that is the main reason why YouTube is deleting all of these channels. One of the other issues that YouTube isn't monetizing the videos is the audio clips. So basically the niches like the stoic ones or like niches like the motivation ones, they are using the same audio clips and they are not even cutting them enough. They get, let's say, a speech from someone really famous who talked about discipline, motivation, stuff like that. Because these are the ones that I've seen the most. Like, this is the most saturated market right now. I don't know why everyone's getting into that. But basically, I think one of the like motivational speakers is called Eric Thomas. And what the guys are doing, they are getting his speech and they are putting it on their video. They're not clipping it. The idea is when you make a video, like this is a tip for all of you guys that are trying like to create a new YouTube channel and are trying to post like all these YouTube videos. When you're posting videos, try to create a storyline. The video gotta be about something. Create a storyline. Let's say one of the most famous ones was you versus you, if I'm not wrong. It was a motivational speech. And basically on that one, don't use the same audio over and over again, or like don't use the audio from the same person. Clip it as much as you can. Like find lots of motivational speeches and like create a storyline with them. Like you gotta invest time on the video. You gotta tell YouTube, hey, I'm doing this, I'm bringing value to YouTube, I'm bringing like actual good videos to YouTube that have storyline, I'm putting like video editing skills into it, I'm editing the audio a little bit, like the work that you have to put in a video in order for YouTube like to say, hey, this channel is worth of being monetized. Because YouTube channels that like do the copy paste thing, like YouTube says, okay, so everyone that's going to watch this video has already seen the video and we're paying like 2 different people for the same thing. So basically YouTube can pay someone like a little bit less rather than pay you guys both too much, because if you're getting too much views, the CPM is going to like be lower. So the main thing is you have to change the video, you have to change the audio, you have to change the script. You have to make it different. Your YouTube video needs to be unique. And that's why YouTube isn't pushing lots of these videos, because I've seen a big number of channels that are on a certain niche and they're all posting the same thing. And they all have like so less views, like 10 views, 100 views, 200 views, like 1,000 views maybe at most. But even in the end, even if you're fulfilling all the conditions to join YouTube Partners program, YouTube needs people who are going to create a fan base out of it. So if you want to monetize your channel, if you want to join the YouTube Partner program, start a YouTube channel and know what to do with it. Don't like just copy and paste stuff. Because even if you like monetize your channel and you've been posting about motivation, you cannot change your niche in the end, because all of your previous subscribers will not like you. They may unsubscribe to you. But the best tip I can give you, try to be original. Try to be authentic. If you're posting new stuff on YouTube, if you're putting in the work, then YouTube will say, hey, this guy is treating YouTube as a job. And basically they're going to help you, like they are going to push your videos, the algorithm is gonna love you, and that way you can join the partner program and you won't be at any risk of like getting permanently banned from YouTube. So these are the main reasons why YouTube is not monetizing your channels. So make sure to listen to the full video, listen to what I said carefully, and try to implement these small tips I just gave you. And I hope you get like the 4,000 watch time hours, the 1,000 subscribers as fast as you can. And yeah, this is Egji, signing off.